Hey guys, we received these Bruno Marc's men's mesh fabric fashion sneakers for test and try. They are a casual Oxfords, lightweight, breathable, versatile walking shoes. So comes in a really nice box. So let's just open and show it to you. It's in a blue color, as you can see, and it's a nice design. Let me just take out all this packaging and everything so I can show it to you. So you can see there are laces, so you have to just untangle and just make a fit. So like just from the other side, so you can just use it. So overall, I think it's a nice quality, nice design, and I can also show you after wearing it that how much comfortable these are. But from the initial thing, seems like a nice mesh fabric. From the side also, it's cushionable memory foam cushions and from the back and the soles just look really good for nice for walking and comfortable. So from the back also you can see is a nice design for the leather strip here and then also the fabric thing. So it's easy to wear and slip on sort of thing, but with the laces you have to do the laces as well. From the stitching and everything looks fine. So let's just try. So you see after wearing it's comfortable, nice fit. uh, and then also you can see like from the sides, so it's a really nice shoe.